Ladies and gentlemen, coin enthusiasts and treasure hunters, welcome back to Million Dollar Coin, the channel where ordinary coins turn into extraordinary fortunes. Today we dive into a mystery that could change the way you look at the coins sitting in your pocket or tucked away in a forgotten drawer. Imagine holding a coin so ordinary in appearance, yet so powerful in value, that collectors across the globe whisper about it in numismatic circles. This is not just a coin. This is a piece of hidden history waiting to be uncovered, and its story will leave you stunned. The coin I am talking about today is none other than the 1997 5 Piso coin from the Philippines. A coin you may think is common. A coin you may have seen countless times, but what if I told you that a single specimen of this coin has been valued at an astonishing $14 million. Yes, $14 million, a number so staggering that even the most seasoned collectors pause in disbelief. Before I reveal why this coin is so valuable, let us build the suspense and peel back the layers of its history. Numismatics, the art and science of studying coins, is not just about collecting. It is about unlocking the hidden stories etched in metal stories of economies, cultures, and rare mistakes that transform common pieces of change into priceless treasures. Collectors and experts often say that every coin has a voice. You just need to listen. The 1997 5 Piso coin was issued by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. It was minted in copper nickel-clad steel and featured the profile of Emilio Aguinaldo, the first president of the Philippines, on its obverse, while the reverse proudly displayed the seal of the central bank. Its diameter is 27 millimeters, its thickness 2 millimeters, and its weight 7 grams to the untrained eye. It looks like any regular coin you might come across in circulation. But in numismatics, the difference between a fortune and a pocket change is often a detail so small that most people miss it. Now let me keep you on edge for a moment. Imagine standing at a coin auction. The room silent, all eyes fixed on the podium, as the auctioneer holds up a single 5 Piso coin. From 1997, the bidding starts at $1 million. Voices rise, hands go up. The tension builds, until the hammer falls at a staggering 14 million. Collectors gasp. Numismatists exchange knowing looks. What could possibly make this coin worth more than luxury cars, more than palaces, more than a lifetime of earnings? The secret lies in rarity and condition. The 1997 5 Piso coin is not just about age or design. It is about errors, mint variations, and above all, grading. Grading is the lifeblood of coin collecting. It is the official measure of a coin's condition, from heavily worn circulated specimens to flawless mint state pieces preserved as if time stood still. Professional grading services like PCGS, the Professional Coin Grading Service, and NGC, the Numismatic Guarantee Company, provide certifications that can skyrocket a coin's value. A coin graded MS-70, meaning a perfect mint state, can be exponentially more valuable than one graded lower. But here is where the suspense deepens. Only a handful of 1997 5 Piso coins exist in pristine, untouched condition, and even fewer possess unique mint errors like doubled dies, misaligned strikes, or off-center images. These errors are like fingerprints. They cannot be replicated. They transform an already rare coin into a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Collectors across the world chase these coins with relentless passion for them. Owning a coin like this is not just about possession. It is about prestige. It is about holding a tangible piece of history, a story of craftsmanship and imperfection combined. And when such a coin enters the auction market, the competition is fierce. Money flows, emotions run high, and fortunes are made or lost in a single bid. Now let me drop another suspenseful cliffhanger. How do you know if the coin sitting in your drawer could be the one worth millions? Do not rush yet, because the secret to unlocking value lies in careful inspection. Numismatists use magnifying glasses under powerful light to detect errors. They check luster, strike sharpness, and wear marks. But most importantly, they trust professional graders. Only by sending your coin to PCGS or NGC can you obtain an official certification that collectors worldwide will honor. Without certification, your coin is just metal. With certification, it becomes treasure. Now let us dig even deeper into the numismatic world. Coins are graded on a 70-point scale. Circulated coins may range from grades like VG for very good or F for fine to XF for extremely fine. Uncirculated pieces move into the AU range. About uncirculated, but the crown jewel lies in mint state grades from MS60 to MS70, with MS70 being perfection. The 1997 5 Piso coin, valued at 14 million, achieved such grading perfection combined with a mint error, making it a numismatic legend. But wait, you might ask, how can you sell such a coin once you have it? Where do you go? Who do you trust? Here lies another cliffhanger. The wrong selling place could cost you millions. Never attempt to sell such coins casually in local shops or pawnbrokers. Their expertise often falls short, and the offers you get may be a fraction of true value. The right places include globally trusted auction houses, such as Heritage Auctions, Stack's Bowers, or Sotheby's. These platforms attract the wealthiest collectors who are ready to compete and drive prices to record-breaking levels. You can also consider private treaty sales, where coins are discreetly sold to elite collectors at mutually agreed prices, but always through reputable numismatic dealers. Now picture this. Imagine you have the coin in your possession. Your hands tremble as you prepare to send it for grading. Your heart races as you wait weeks for results. And finally, you receive the sealed slab, a perfect mint state with a unique error. Your coin has transformed from pocket change to a multi-million-dollar masterpiece, and the numismatic world will never forget your discovery. But let me add another twist. Collectors do not only look for rarity and errors. They crave provenance. Provenance is the story of where the coin has been. Has it passed through royal hands? Was it once part of a legendary collection? Has it appeared in famous auctions? Provenance adds layers of narrative that captivate buyers and inflate value. Imagine if your 1997 5 Piso coin once belonged to a celebrated Filipino statesman or was showcased in a museum. Its story alone could add millions. This is why coin collecting is more than a hobby. It is a pursuit of history, wealth, and legacy. Coins like the 1997 5 Piso remind us that sometimes treasures hide in plain sight within our wallets, within jars of old change, within drawers we never bother to open. Numismatics teaches us patience, observation, and knowledge, and rewards those who dig deeper. Now let me turn to you, my viewers. How many of you have coins tucked away right now that you never examined carefully? How many of you might be sitting on treasures without even knowing if you are holding a 1997 5 Piso coin from the Philippines or any rare currency? Peace. Take this as your sign. Do not ignore it. Check your coins. Study them, research them, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel. $1 Million Coin, because here we reveal the secrets that others keep. Hidden collectors say that numismatics is a world of endless discovery. Each coin tells a story. Each story fuels the passion. And the 1997 5 Piso coin is a perfect example of how a single piece of metal can capture hearts and change lives. Before I close, let me leave you with one final cliffhanger. What if I told you there are still undiscovered varieties of this coin? What if one day you could be the person to find the next record-breaking specimen? That story, my friends, is still unwritten, and maybe, just maybe, it will be written by you. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, and share this video with fellow collectors and enthusiasts, because together we build a community of treasure hunters, history keepers, and fortune seekers. Like this video, comment your thoughts, and never miss A chance to learn about the next coin that could be worth millions. This is $1 Million Coin, where every episode may just change your life forever.